that, we will test our call bridge from the user standpoint also. So now we need to test the solution that it is working fine. The way we are going to do is connecting two web app users together in the same space through the web bridge. Yeah. So let's go to the web app. We will be using 10.1.5.31 with the default port to access the web app. In see what users we have. We have these two users to test. Do it. This is our mm, mm, okay. And we'll open it. Okay. Okay, so in this lab, they have created a separate URL for the web bridge for the external users, which is predefined here. So we will use that. Encoding, which is by the name like we had created earlier, like join dot domain. So they have this named as connect dot cll, which is for our web bridge. So this is the one we're going to use. CLL nothing collab dot internal. It should work. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Here we will join this web bridge. Pointing to this URL. I will log in with both the users one by one. Let's join with the first one, or we can test with just one also. That's fine. Let me join with T. Do it. Copy paste it. Don't work here. So T T it at meet hyphen meet dot cll hyphen lab internal password. Okay, we are logged in. We can see we are in the Divot's space, and we can see it say for now. And we can click join meeting to create this meeting and start this meeting from here. Let's just click join this space. Allow. We don't see, we need to add members to the space. Let me go back there. It should come up just right here. Yeah. Okay, so it was just taking some time to update. So here what we can do is, as there are two web bridges, so different users can connect to the same space uh, on the same web bridge here. So we will add the second user in the space of this user. See that? That will verify our web bridge, the two web bridges. Okay. Yeah, so here now you can see we have Daniela David is the name of this user. We can click this plus sign and add. We can search for Sasha Ho, which is our user, and click add to space. Now they are added to the space of this meeting, the same space they are the part of. So let's just join. Meeting. From PC2 also. Log in. HTTPS. Connect. Dot CLL hyphen lab dot internet. Signing in with the second user, which is Cisco Meet PC2. Cisco Meet dot CLL. And we can see spaces, two spaces added over here. We can join the other user space here. Okay, it's allowed. This is just because I just didn't allow the camera access. Okay, so now we are joined in here. Not sending video, that is fine. Yeah, so that is it. This verifies that our web bridges are working properly. So that means both the users, as they are the part of the same space, using the two web bridges connected together from different users, we are connected to the web bridge. So that is it. This was the lab. Disconnect. So there are some set of configurations we need to do first. The certificates, then enabling the service for WebBridge 2 interfaces, the web bridge connecting to the user, so HTTPS configuration, and enable web bridge service, WebBridge 3 service for users or to use web app, and then connect to the call bridge. And then using APIs, we enable the call bridge to locate WebBridge, and that's what we did there. And we have added the CMS1 and CMS2 web bridges for the call bridge. And then we tested the web bridges by uh, calling from one user's web app to other by creating a space, and within the space we have added the two users. So that is only possible with the help of the bridges, two web bridges we have created and associated them together. Okay, so this lab is done.